Hello everyone. If your GT5 is crashing during startup when you launch the game and it crashes, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying GTA 5 crashes during startup or launching. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your file explorer, you're going to go into your C drive, you're going to go into users, you're going to go into your account name, you're going to go into documents. Here you have Rockstar Games. You want to go into your GTA 5 version, either enhanced or legacy, and then you're just going to delete the settings.xml file. It stores the game settings like graphics settings, your keybinds, your audio settings, all of those settings. So you're going to delete this file, and then what you're going to do is you're going to open up the platform that you have the game on. So Steam or Epic Games or Rockstar Games. I have it on Epic Games, so I'm going to show you how to do it on Epic Games. So what you're going to do now is you're going to verify the game's files. You're going to click onto these three dots right next to Grand Theft Auto 5, go into manage, and here you have this button saying verify. So you're going to click on verify files. So after you're done verifying the game's files, now when you launch the game, you'll see that your game won't crash anymore. It will work normally. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to fix your GTA 5 crashing on startup. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.